Did you know the emperor tamarin got its name from its regal mustache? These tiny primates are found in the Amazon rainforest. They live in social groups and are known for their playful behavior. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, insects, and tree sap. Despite their small size, they are incredibly agile and quick. Emperor tamarins communicate using a variety of vocalizations. Next time you see a picture, you'll know why they're called emperor. Please like, share, and subscribe.